have given their views on studio. It's true that currently NHIF does not cover screening and some of the diagnostics, and that is why we are reforming, or we have reformed NHIF. The other issue that came out there, you must have had one who gave a testimony that they got to take their NHIF card after they were diagnosed. So we have the issue of adverse selection, that until you is to have a chronic illness, that is when now you go and get your insurance. That is our second problem with the NHIF as it is currently. The other issue that they have talked about of top-up, that is to mean there is a limit within NHIF. The treatment can be covered. They have also talked about some of the procedures that are not covered. That means there's exclusion by NHIF. What are the reasons why we have now social health authority? What we have done in social health authority is to take care of their life from the time a mother is expectant. That is covered under social health authority until to the time that that person is maturing and, God forbid, death. We have covered in the social health authority. Specifically for, we have ensured that we are covering screening and diagnosis at 100%. We have ensured that all treatment for cancer is covered at 100%. We have a publicly funded system. That is where most of the screening happen. Then once you kick into the secondary care, we have the social health insurance, and that is where your insurance will be taking care of without exclusion, without limitation. The best of social health